Hackers penetrate and ravage delicate, private, and publicly owned computer systems, infecting them with viruses and stealing materials for their own ends. These people,
Mr. Richard Gill, you're hacker enemy #1, man.
Thank you, Mr.
You're a
Gill.
boner.
Yo, showtime! Showtime!
What's going on?
4, 3, 2, 1!
Welcome to our show, Hack the Planet.
Hack the planet!
And for those late night hacks, Dope Cola, the soft drink of the elite hacker.
Who are these guys?
It's Razor and Blade.
Find a payphone in a remote.
Razor and Blade.
That's right, this is a payphone.
Don't ask. As you can see, this is just a simple micro cassette recorder. Hook it up to the phone and drop in $5 in quarters.
Record the tones that the coins make, then hang up and get your money back.
And never again pay for a service that would be dirt cheap.
If it weren't run by a bunch of profiteering gluttons.
Remember, hacking is more than just a crime. It's a survival trait.